Bitcoin is attempting to touch the top resistance on this descending channel pattern. This is something we discussed as a possibility in yesterday's video, but what is going to happen from here? Are we going to see a drop back down to support below $100,000, or are we going to see a massive breakout? It's tough to tell exactly what's going to happen right now, so in this video, let's find out together. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 294 wins and 0 losses. A brand new trade was won yesterday, and we actually went over this trade setup in today's previous video. So if you want to check those out, be sure to check the trade setups tab and be ready for more trade callouts as well. For our members, we have a brand new future forecast talking about why we could see another 40% drop on altcoins before the altcoin season starts. And tomorrow, our members can join us for the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. This is live coaching and Q&A from the founder of Trade Confident, Travis Martin himself. You do not want to miss this. If you are not a member yet, sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. It is worth it for the Inner Circle alone, let alone the other major benefits. Getting started in the analysis, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Since bottoming out at a level of about $100,000 just 3 days ago, Bitcoin sees whale money moving into the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So as this green line increases, representing whales buying, this is pushing the price upwards. If you see whale money begin to move out of the market, this is where things are going to get a little hairy. This is where we can see major drops because there's not a lot of momentum. There's not a lot of support here pushing the price upwards. With that in mind, we're about a 50% chance of a pump or a drop. Technically 51% chance of a drop, but as we approach this resistance and likely close to reject, I'm thinking we're going to see a short trade zone reading, and this would mean that upwards momentum had run out and we're likely to reject to the downside. Price versus money flow high is bearish. Trades in favor high is bearish. And if we get a sell or strong sell signal, most often this is going to identify an ideal candle exit. This is the bearish trifecta. On the flip side, if we end up rejecting and the price drops towards that $100,000, or more accurately, right about a $98,000 level, we want to see price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy or strong buy signal to call a bullish trifecta. This represents a major entry opportunity and is actually the third touch, which typically is going to be the last one on this channel pattern. We're about to see the third touch, and every touch after this, when we touch this resistance, is likely to cause a breakout. So this is where we need to be ready. If we head to the 1 week time frame, this is where things do look a little bit more bearish. We see whale money is moving out of the market. Trades in favor is high. We haven't received a sell signal or anything like that, but it is something we need to be careful of, and that's because on the weekly time frame, these are bigger moves that we're looking for, and this is where a drop is absolutely possible. Very bearish on the weekly. Pretty much neutral on the daily, but as we touch resistance, I think that's going to change towards a more bearish outlook. As the price drops, we're looking for a bullish trifecta in order to call an ideal candle entry before the next move up. I'm going to say right now, I do not think a breakout is going to happen on this touch of the resistance, so we'll be looking for the next one. And this means that this next entry is crucial to make. So what we're going to do is set alerts. I want to ensure that you do not miss this next move. What we're going to do here is click Create Alert. Switch this to the trades in favor. Watch for pump. Once for bar close, click Create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it at a buy signal. Once per bar close, click Create. And the last alert will be under the TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy. Once per bar close, and click Create. Watch for pump. Alert will let you know if the trades in favor closes in the long trade zone, at which point downwards momentum would have run out and we're likely to see a bounce to the upside. Highly bullish. If a buy or strong buy alert posts, it means we received a buy or strong buy signal and you may have just found an ideal candle entry. If any of these 3 alerts post, check to see if you have or are close to creating that bullish trifecta with a buy or strong buy signal, price versus while money flow low, and trades in favor low, ideally in the long trade zone. Once again, creating that bullish trifecta. More than 78% of the time, this is winning trades, and the risk management that I'll show you as we approach that potential entry is what has brought that full 294 win rate with 0 losses over the last 28 months. Using these indicators, this trader met their goal of becoming debt-free. This person earned 10%, 50 to 70%, 103% profit in 34 days, and it just keeps going on like this. So many testimonies to this same effect. If you want this insane strategy in your hands, if you want to be able to trade with these indicators like our members and we here at Trade Confident are, our members get access for up to $550 off. And that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and the upcoming Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Do not miss out. What you want to do is head down into the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to join, and once you are a member, you are now eligible for your first $150 off with this coupon code. From there, click Print Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for tomorrow's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout and a new future forecast later this week. Don't miss out.